નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Welcome students to worksheet 1 answers. It is worksheet 1 answer of chapter 9. The name of the chapter is what? Boxes and sketches, isn't it? And it is of standard 5th maths. Okay, I already sent you the worksheet yesterday. This is worksheet 1, and it is once again I have taken the questions from your practice work. So let me show you the first question from your practice work. See, this must be, there will be, the first question will be, classify the following shapes into 2D and 3D shapes. Now, how could you come to know which is 2D and which is 3D shape? Let me make you understand. Suppose, what is 2D shape first of all? Then, let me tell you. See, 2D shape has only height and width. The shape, suppose this is a square, isn't it? Then you can see, suppose this is the length, this is the breadth or width, isn't it? So only two parameters are there, that is length and breadth. And if I want to make this 3D shape, then what I will do, I will convert it to 3D. See, this is a jadoo. See, you can see now it is 3D shape, isn't it? Can you see now this is a 3D shape? Now one more parameter I add to this, that is height, isn't it? So suppose instead of telling this now breadth, and suppose this is length, this is breadth, and this is height, isn't it? This is width, this part, this is width, this is length, and this is height. Okay, so now it is 3D shape. So as per that, we have to find out from these shapes which one is 3D, or classify the following shapes into 2D and 3D shapes. Now see, this is question 1 and this is 1. Now the first one, it is a circle. It has only length, or we can say, in fact, circle has radius and center and all these things, but this is circle. See, if there is a sphere, sphere, cricket ball, that is a sphere, then it is 3D shape, but only circle is 2D. So 2D, instead of writing like this, let me write 2D and 3D shape. Okay, instead of writing like this, I am writing 2D and 3D shape. Okay, so this first one is 2D shape. Now let's see the second one. See, in this second one, you can see it is a cone, but it has the depth also, so it is a 3D shape. Okay, it is a 3D shape. So the second one is 3D shape. Then the third one, this is also once again 3D shape, isn't it? So this is a cylinder and it is in the 3D shape. So 3 number is 3D shape. Now 4 number, it is only a square and only two parameters are there, that is why it is a 2D shape. So number 4 is 2D. 5, once again it is a 3D shape. Now you can tell me, this is a 3D shape. Now 6th one is only two parameters, that is rectangle, and it is 2D shape. Okay, and 7th is a triangle, isn't it? The 7th is a triangle and it is once again 2D shape. So 7 is a 2D shape, and the 8th one is a cuboid. And it has 3 parameters. That is why it is 3D shape. Okay. See, the same answer I will send you through on the last day. Okay, next to next day. Now we come to know which are 2D and 3D shapes, isn't it? Now let's go further for the next one. The next question is what? I think you will not be able to see this question, isn't it? Okay, let me do something. Now can you see? Okay, the question is that which of these following nets represent an open box from one side, isn't it? Let me put this somewhere else. 1 minute. Okay, now is it possible for you to see this question? Okay. Which of these following nets represent an open box from one side? See, this is an open box from one side, है ना? Now there are 4 nets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Let's go for that. By this time I am keeping all these things. Now let's go for the first one. Okay, this first net. Okay, for that let me draw that net somewhere over here. Let me draw the net somewhere over here, so that we will cut this. And in fact, ideally you must be able to judge or guess which one is this one. Okay, but by this time let me make you understand in other way. Suppose the first net was something like this. The first net was something like this, है ना? Okay, and this is the other part. Okay, now this is the first net. Okay, now what I will do, let me cut this. Okay, so I am cutting this net, and then after I will bend it so that we could come to know whether through this net is it possible to prepare that open box or not. So I am cutting this one. I am cutting this one. You can see. Now let's see. Okay, now you can see whether through this net is it possible to prepare a box. Let's bend this one. See, suppose this one, and this one. You can see we prepare one box is complete, that to be one side open, है ना? So the question, what it was the question? Let me show it to you. See, this is the question. What is the question? Which of these following nets represent an open box from one side? See, this one, the first net is represent open box from one side. So the answer is what? The first one. So answer for the second one is question 2. This is question 2, and the answer is first one. Okay, so this is your answer, and this is video for you. Now if you want to find out whether any other net is there through which we can prepare open box or not, for that what you will do, you just cut this type of net. You can see this is the net. Okay, now draw this type of net over here, over there, this net. Then after, cut it with the help of this scissor. Okay, and then try to bend those things, whether is it possible to prepare this type of open box through this net or not. I mean to say, this one and this one, go for these three, and you will find that with the help of this second, third and fourth, you will not be able to prepare this type of open box. So this is your answer, and with this we are ending this video, and we'll meet you in the video of second worksheet. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.